Hi, it's Al from Hey OK Performance, just showing off another servo positioner. This one's a custom job I did for a customer. He wanted a push button, momentary contact push button, that selects position 1 or position 2. Those positions are set by these two pots. There's an LED to show you which pot is currently active. Also note that it's running from a 12-volt battery. My servo tester here, which has a servo stuck to it, is just a nice easy servo for me to plug in to show this off. So it's plugged in there. So if I push this button, it'll flip to the other position. See the light change too? So now it's telling me that the right hand control is the one that's operating. So I can, put it anywhere. Let's say there, and I'll push the other direction. And I'm gonna move it too. That's what it's all about. Thanks for looking.